4 Stoic laws that will break you, then rebuild you stronger. Listen, if you feel lost right now, this might be exactly what you needed to hear. Because these 4 ancient laws aren't gentle. They don't comfort you. They forge you. Rule 1. Endure what you can't control. Life will hit you without warning. People will betray you. Plans will collapse. And the world will move on. Even when you can't. But listen carefully. Strength isn't built in the moments you win. It's built in the moments you refuse to break. The Stoics didn't pray for easy days. They prayed for the strength to walk through fire and not lose themselves. Remember that. Rule 2. Discipline is the purest form of self-respect. You say you love yourself, but do your habits prove it? Discipline is not punishment. It's a quiet promise you make to your future self. Wake up when you don't want to. Train when your body screams no. Study when the world distracts you. Every small choice becomes a brick. And brick by brick, you build the life nobody believed you could create. Rule 3. Cut the noise. Protect your inner world. In a world full of opinions, whispers, and fake victories, the hardest battle is silence. Most people are addicted to distraction because they're terrified of facing themselves. But you're different. Sit alone. Sit with your thoughts. Let the noise fade until you hear your own voice again. When your mind becomes calm, your direction becomes undeniable. Rule 4. Let go. Before life forces you to. Let go of people who drain you. Let go of habits that poison you. Let go of the old version of you that clings to comfort and fear. Growth doesn't happen when you hold on. It happens when you release. Yes, it hurts. But pain is simply the tax you pay for becoming someone stronger. Someone wiser. Someone unrecognizable from who you were last year. These 4 laws, they won't make your life easier. They will make you stronger. And one day, you'll look in the mirror and realize you didn't just survive. You transformed. Mind, body, heart. Like and subscribe for more.